Vishal? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so today we'll be doing programs of week 4, okay, which include tuples. So what is the first program we need to do? You have the questions, right? Are you opening the online compiler? Last week, how many of them have completed all the programs? Week 3 programs. Still, how many did complete them? Hmm? How many of them have not completed your executing the programs of last week? Was there any problem in executing them? Anvesh, did you execute all the programs? No.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Vishwa,
Ma'am,
execute all the programs. How many programs you have executed last
4
week?
ma'am. 4.
4,
అయిపోయినాయి ma'am.
Okay. Vishwa, you?
Not all, ma'am. I have to do set. The
How many
second
did-
one, yeah, only 2.
Why you didn't get them or?
No. Still doing this, doing nothing wrong. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Dinesh? Still people are joining, Amma. You were there in these, how many students were present in last class? Vinay?
25 members.
25.
32. No ma'am.
Now it's
32.
30. It's 30 now. You need to understand, if you need to understand the programs, you need to attend the classes, right? How you people expect to execute all these without any explanation and all? Hmm? Okay, last week we have done programs on lists, right? So today we'll be seeing programs on tuples, Nana. Okay. Last week programs, everyone is clear, right? Did you face any problems in executing those programs and understanding them?
No problem.
No problem. You have executed all the programs?
No ma'am. Due to some internet issue, I wasn't able to. I have texted you no ma'am on that day.
Yes. But till you had 1 week, Nana. Did you even try it afterwards?
I completed one program ma'am, just but it's not opening again. I'm trying ma'am, but I will try again. Ma'am.
Okay. So today, how many of them will be able to execute now then? Are you have you become friendly with online compilers? Hmm?
If it will be work now ma'am, I will do it ma'am on mobile.
Okay, for today in tuples you have 3 programs, Nana. Okay, first program, yes, everyone need to listen carefully. Okay, first program, read out the question, Nana. Anyone? Anvesh?
Ma'am.
Yes, read out the first program question, Nana.
Ma'am,
What is
give a list of tuple Write a program to find the tuple. We have all element divided by k from the list of tuple. Test
Okay.
list is equals to something tuple, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
K is equal
So,
to
so for this, what you need to do is, how you can you insert elements into the tuple directly? Hmm? Can we insert elements into
no,
tuple
ma'am.
directly?
No, ma'am. It is immutable, ma'am.
If you want to update it, is it possible?
No, ma'am.
No. For that to work, what we need to do?
We should convert it into list.
Yes, we need to convert that particular tuple into a list. We can perform updation on it, and again we need to convert it into tuple later. Okay. And second one is list comprehension. Okay, in this program, you can use list comprehension and all and perform this program. Okay, or simply you can use your for loop and you can execute the program. There are two ways to execute this particular program. Okay, for this program to run, first what we need to do, we need to create a list of tuples. Okay, the test list which they have given, we can take that one only. Okay, so for that, what you want to do, you want to use a list comprehension plus all, or directly you want to, simply you want to use for and then execute the program. Either way it will be easy, there is nothing to be tough about it, but it's your convenience. Okay, as they didn't mention any condition over here, you can perform either way. Okay, you want to see the execution of the first program, Nana? Okay, this is not the first program. See, okay, here I have considered a list, a particular list, not this particular program. This is other program. Just the values will be differing. Okay. See, here I have considered a particular list of tuples. Okay, three tuples. Okay. Now, first thing what I need to do, I need to print that particular list. Which is the particular list? This is my list, right? So I have given this k is equal to 45. That is nothing but what is the output I need to get? I need to get the output wherein each element of this particular tuple is divided by 45 or not. I need to check each element from the list of the tuples. If any of the elements which are present in this particular list of tuples are divisible by k, that is 45, that will become my output. Okay, that will be stored in this one, my underscore result. Okay, in this one, the elements should be stored. Okay, this is the program which we need to do. Either you can directly give the values here, or you can create an empty list and you can give the values later on. Okay, it's up to you which one you want to do. Here, Nana. Guys,
Ma'am, first that is a tuple, no, ma'am.
list of tuples, Nana. List of tuples.
Okay.
Okay.
We need to write like first we
Okay.
need to write in round bracket, no.
ట్యూపుల్ నే లిస్ట్ లో నాన్న, అంటే ఆ లిస్ట్ లో నువ్వు 3 ట్యూపుల్స్ ఇస్తున్నావు.
Okay, ma'am. అర్థమైంది, ma'am.
ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ చూడండి అన్న, లిస్ట్ లో క్రియేట్ చేసేస్తున్నాం మనము. we have created this example. I have created an empty list. Okay, so దాంట్లో ఎంటర్ చేయాలి కదా మనం ట్యూపుల్ వాల్యూస్. ఇప్పుడు దానికి n అని ఒక ఎలిమెంట్ తీసుకుంటున్నాం. We are taking an element n which is of integer type. Okay, so in this particular statement which we are using it in order to enter the values into that particular tuple. Okay, after entering we need to iterate. Okay, perform iterate operations. So for that one, what you are doing, what is this statement used for, Nana? T is equal to int of x for x in input of elements into tuple.
Can you repeat the question?
Yes, see, n is equal to int of input of this particular statement we are using in order to enter number of tuples you want to append. Okay, that is nothing but whether they are 2, 3, how many you want to enter into that a number of elements which you want to enter into that tuple. For that one you are giving this statement. Okay, next what you need to do, you need to enter elements into the tuple, right? So
Yes,
for that
yes,
reason, we are giving this particular statement. T is equal to int of x for x in input. What is the input which see, this will be going to n here. Okay, so here how many elements we are trying to insert, that many will be inserted into the tuple.
I mean, here see, n we are taking it to append the number of tuples here, right? And
Yes,
in T we are storing the elements that are going to be entered in tuple, that will be stored in T, right?
yes.
So what exactly is happening here in int of x?
See, Nana, if in an now first what we need to do, we have created a list, an empty list, okay, into which we need to enter tuples, right?
Yes, ma'am. Understand. Yes,
Okay,
yes, yes.
so after that one, what we need to do, first we need to know how many tuples we need to enter. Okay, so for that one, this is the above statement. N is equal to int of input of that one is clear. Okay, now
Yes,
we need
yes,
to
yes.
know whether that particular n numbers, okay, for I in range of n, that is whatever element we are giving are in range of that particular n. That is, here what is the range? If I give n is equal to 3,
Okay.
if I give n is equal to 3, first the loop should be iterated until how many elements? I need to enter how many elements into it, and when it will be stopping. See, for loop, in for the condition which I am giving is I in range of n, right?
Yes, yes, ma'am. The
Okay.
number of elements entered in n would be
Until
the
when
limit.
it will be appending, until any until when that particular process will be going on, until it reaches the range of n, right?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Range is
Okay,
3.
see, n is equal to 3. For suppose here I want to enter n 3 tuples. Okay, so until
Okay.
I reaches the range of n, that is 3, it will be iterating. Okay, it will check
Okay, ma'am.
whether that particular element can be inserted into the tuple or not. Okay, once that
Okay,
is done, it will again it will append it. Okay, it will check the T is equal to int of x. It will check whether that particular element which we are entering is integer type or not.
Okay.
Okay, and next it
Okay.
will be checking whether it is in that particular element or not. That is whether we can enter that particular element into the tuple or not. Once
If
it
it is
checks that,
already in that list or not. Okay.
yes,
Yeah.
yes, after
Yes, ma'am.
entering it, after confirming it, it will append to where, to that particular list L, where you want to put element tuples into, right?
Okay.
Okay, once first element has been inserted, again it will be going to for loop. it will check that
Okay.
particular loop statement. Okay, for condition I in range of n. So how till when it will happen? Until and unless it satisfies the first statement, Nanna. That is until and unless it reaches n. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Limit. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Once that limit
Got it.
is crossed, it will stop.
Got it.
Okay. Okay. So next one, what we need to do? We need to enter the value of k. That is, we'll be giving the number where by which these elements will be divisible or not. We need to check, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So for that one, what we need to do, k is equal to int of input of
Int
enter
and
the
input
number.
and yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we'll be entering the value of k.
Yes.
So for
Yeah.
now, we have entered the tuples into the list. Okay, and we have given k value also. Now what we need to do, we need to find the tuples which have all elements divisible by k, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So for that one, this will be RES, that is resultant list or tuple which we'll be getting. In that, the condition will be written. How? The number or the element which is in list, if all the elements divisible by k are equivalent to 0 for L in sub. Did you understand this condition, Nana? Anyone have any doubts? Yes, please mute it, Ma. If you don't have any doubts, please mute it. Vamshi, mute it, Ma.
Ma'am, online coupler ma'am.
Entama? Yes, guys.
Online coupler until link
Online compiler, Nana. Okay, you can check in your Google
yes,
search. Whichever you are comfortable with, you can check it, Nana. Wait, you want me to send the link? Okay. Okay, you can go to NumPy as well. You can use NumPy as well. You can use W3 Schools editor as well, Nana. Okay. Is it okay? Are you able to use it, Ma? Vamshi, did you get it?
Yes, madam.
Okay. Now try executing this program. Yes, everyone understood the program, Amma? First program. Any doubts in that one?
Man, not understood. Man.
Mitesh, Nana?
Yes, ma'am.
Where is the problem? Which point of that program you didn't get it?
From ma'am.
Okay, see here, how you want to give it? Directly, you want to give the list of program tuples and you want to execute it, or you can give L with list, empty list, okay? And in that you can give numbers Okay, and then you can check whether it is divisible by k or not, and then execute it. It depends on how you want to execute the program, how you want to go with it. You will give into the list, or you want to execute on your own way. లిస్ట్ డైరెక్ట్ ఇచ్చేస్తావా లేకపోతే ఎంటీ లిస్ట్ ఇస్తానన్నా?
లిస్ట్ డైరెక్ట్ గా లిస్ట్ ఇచ్చేస్తాను.
డైరెక్ట్ గా లిస్ట్ అయితే సి నేను ఇక్కడ ఈ ఎగ్జాంపుల్లో యూ వాట్ ఎవర్ ఆ క్వశ్చన్ లో ఉన్న ట్యూపుల్స్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ లేవు ఇక్కడ. ఓకేనా? You can insert in this particular seeing this particular understanding this particular program, you can execute in your according to your example. Okay, see, I have given the list directly here, which consists of a list of tuples. Okay, three tuples here I have, and each tuple consists of three elements. Okay, first I will be checking whether this particular tuple will be converted into list. Okay, in order to enter elements into a particular tuple, what you need to do, you need to convert it into list, right?
Yes,
so for that one, here I have given that. Okay, print list is. Okay, whatever the list is there, it will be printed. Okay, next I want to see how my list is, that is the list of tuples which is there, how it is displayed. Okay, and now what I need to do, I have given the list of tuples. I need to check whether they are divisible by k. So for that one, I have given element k, that is the value for that k variable is 45. Okay, in your example case, you need to give 6, right?
yes, sir.
Okay, so after that, print the value of k has been initialized to. Okay, whatever k value we have initialized, it will be printing this. Okay, next what we need to do, we need to check each element one by one in that list of tuples, whether each element which is divisible by k or not. Okay, for that one, this is the condition, my result. So whatever elements which are divisible by k, those will be placed in my underscore list result. Okay, is it clear, Nana, till now?
Yes, ma'am.
ఫస్ట్ లిస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ట్యూపుల్స్ క్రియేట్ చేసాము. దాని తర్వాత ఆ లిస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ట్యూపుల్స్ దేని వల్ల he in the question they have asked to those particular elements to be divisible by a particular number. Okay, so that number I have given has 45 here in this example. You can give according to your question only. Okay, 6 kada akada adi ichesam. After that, what I need to do, I need to check each element in that particular list of tuples is divisible by this k or not. Okay, after checking it, the resultant, see, 45 divided by 40, 45 is divisible by 40, right? 45, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So that should be stored somewhere, right? So for storing it, I am taking my underscore result here. Okay, in that every element which is divisible by k will be stored. Okay, so here see, Nana, sub is nothing but the element which I am comparing. Okay, sub, for sub, that is nothing but x in x. Okay, sub, for sub in my list, that is nothing but the element which is present in my list. If all, that is element, that particular element is divisible by k is equivalent to 0, then that element should be in sub. That is nothing but here the element which is compared by k and divisible by k is that is, it satisfies this condition, then that particular element should be placed in my result. Okay, so For that one, what we need to do, every element, that is here I have given all the elements which are divisible by k should be placed in my underscore results. That's the reason I am writing the code here. Nana, list comprehension use chestunam ikkada. Okay, that is the reason the lines of code has been reduced and it has been written in this way. Okay, instead of writing for loop in a long way, we have written for and if in one statement. Okay, and after those, that thing has been done, that is the iteration has been done for checking all the elements which are present in the all the tuples, all the three tuples, and mentioning, that is taking all the elements which are divisible by k, we'll be getting the resultant. Okay, you want to try this one? See, what is the list we have created? This is the list of tuples which we have been created, and the value which we have initialized to k is 45. So now, after checking each element in the list of tuples, whether it is divisible by 45 or not, the output which we have, that is the elements which are divisible by k, are 45, 90, and 135. Okay, these are the three elements which are divisible by k, that is 45. We'll try it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, try it.
Either that method or this method. Any method we can use.
Either one you can use, Nana. Directly you can give the test list. Okay, as here they have given the list already, list of tuples. Okay, or you can simply create an empty list, then you can insert tuples into it. Okay, if you want to give empty list, here you need to write this one you need to do, that is n is equal to int of input of, you need to write these statements. Okay, if you doesn't want that, directly you can give this enter k value, and you can perform this particular operation and you can get the result. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, everyone. Anyone still have any doubts, Nana, in this first program? Yes. Anyone want to share the screen, Nana? Are you able to get it? First program, everyone understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, Vaibhav is there. Shankar? Yes. Shankar is not there. Is he absent today? ఈశ్వర్ అర్థమైందా నాన్న చెప్పింది, దేని ఎందుకు యూజ్ చేస్తామని చెప్పేసి?
మేము చేస్తున్నాం.
Okay. Yes, everyone, listen. You please remember, according to list comprehension, what are the syntaxes, Nana? For list comprehension, for tuple comprehension, and again for sets and dictionary also, you'll be getting the syntaxes. So if you remember that one, it will be easy for you to do these programs. Okay. Please try to remember the syntaxes for all the data structures, Nana. Then it will be easy to understand and produce the outputs. Okay. Once you are done with this first program, please tell me, I'll explain the second program.
మ్యామ్
Yes.
ఎర్రర్ వస్తుంది మ్యామ్.
ఏది నాన్న ఎక్కడ వస్తుంది?
ఎల్ డాట్ అపెండ్ దగ్గర మ్యామ్.
ఎల్ డాట్ అపెండ్. ఓకే, లెట్ మీ సీ. నేను ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేసిన ప్రోగ్రామ్ చూడు, నీకు అక్కడ ఏమైనా ఎర్రర్స్ వస్తున్నాయేమో కనిపిస్తుంది. లేకపోతే కాదు, ఒక నిమిషం. I have ఇదేనా? ఇది చూడండి నాన్న.
ఇది చేయాలా మ్యామ్?
Yes, you try to do this one, Nana. If you can share the screen, then it's okay, we'll try it. Or you can go with this program. We'll try it.
Trying this one, ma'am.
Okay. If you are not getting, please, when you share the screen, we'll try it. Okay.
Ma'am,
Sandeep, చెప్పమ్మా.
మ్యామ్ ఒకసారి స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేస్తాను.
ఓకే, 1 second. ట్రై చేయనన్నా, స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేయి, చూస్తాను.
ఎర్రర్ వస్తుంది. ఇన్వాలిడ్ సింటాక్స్.
syntax. You can remove that split dot
Ma'am?
split on the kada. Dot split is there, no?
Yes, ma'am.
You can remove that one. Dot split should be inside. It's okay. You can remove that.
Ma'am, again it's showing invalid syntax. Line 4.
Index. Simply give x for x, Nana.
Where, ma'am?
Instead of giving int of x for x, t is equal to.
Okay, ma'am.
మ్యామ్ అక్కడ ఇంకొక బ్రాకెట్ ఇవ్వలేదు కదా మ్యామ్.
Yes, you need to close. ఇంకోటి ఇవ్వాలి నాన్న. Close it. Save it.
Ma'am, again.
N of you need to give int of n there. N. 1 second, Nana. I'll execute and show you. Okay. The same program, I'll try and execute it. Okay.
Okay.
That program has been replaced by this program. Wait for a while, Nana. I'll just show that program. Okay. Until then, you do these programs.
మ్యామ్ వచ్చింది మ్యామ్ ఫస్ట్.
Nana? Okay, just share the screen with me.
ఓకే. హలో మ్యామ్, కెన్ యూ సీ మ్యామ్ మై స్క్రీన్?
Yes, ma. Kanpichinది. Mundu kanpichinది. Ippudu kanpichatledu.
ఓకే.
Yeah. Okay, okay, fine. Now I am able to see that one. Okay. Next.
అవుట్పుట్
The
క్లియర్.
output. Okay. Okay,
దిస్
fine.
ఇస్
Fine.
అవుట్పుట్.
Okay.
ఓకే.
Write that program somewhere or save it, Nana.
ఓకే.
Save it and do the next program. I'll explain that as well. Shall I explain next program?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, see here. Yes, everyone concentrate, Nana. So here a list of tuples has been given, okay, which
Ma'am,
consists
we
of
can't
G.
see your screen, ma'am.
Not able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, I see what happened. Okay, see. Now are you able to see, Nana?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, see. Now the second program is here a list of tuples has been given, okay, which consists of GFG is best, GFG average, GFG, and GFG CS. Okay, something like that. Output should be GFG is best. Okay, we need to get the output as GFG is best. That is first tuple we need to execute, because we need to filter the uppercase, filter all the uppercase characters tuples from the given list of tuples. Okay, so for that one, what we can do, we can give, see, I'll share this program with you. Okay, see Nana, here I have initialized a list of tuples. Okay, first is GFG is best. It consists of all the capital letters. Okay, all the letters in this particular tuple are capital, are of uppercase. Okay, and next is other tuple where it consists of a mixage of lower letters and upper, that is lowercase letters and uppercase letters. Okay, so it goes on. There are 4 tuples mainly here. In in this particular from this particular list, they are asking us to uh, give the output as only this first tuple. Okay, so for that one, first one, what we need to do, we need to see the resultant list. Okay, first we are creating it as an empty list. Okay, and now we need to test that particular list. Okay, how? We'll be taking a for loop. Okay, each element will be that is present in test list. That is the element here I have taken as sub. Okay, in test list, resultant, if that particular resultant is true, we need to check that particular element is in that particular sublist or not. Okay, so for checking uppercase, we are giving if statement. Okay, if this particular if element is not uppercase, you need to give false and break it there itself. Okay, if it is in the result, if it is true, that should be appended in this particular list. Okay, what we are doing here, first we have initialized a test list where it consists of tuples. Okay, and here this is nothing but it is this particular statement, it prints the original list. After that, we have created a list for the resultant list, resultant tuple list. Okay, and now what we need to do, we need to see whether the particular tuples elements are true or not. In order to, we need to compare them. Okay, first for that one, we are considering the element in the test list. Okay, if that particular element is present in the test list is true, we'll be checking this and we'll be going. Sorry, Amma, 1 second. See, for sub in test underscore list, okay, the resultant is true. Then we'll be going for another for list where element should be in this one. Okay, if that element is present in sub, we'll be checking whether that particular element is of uppercase or not. If that particular element is of not uppercase, then the result will be false and it will be break. Okay, and again it will be going, it will be checking that particular element whether it is true or not. Okay, this cycle goes on until all the elements which are present here are in uppercase are stored in the resultant list. Okay, once they are appended, they will be printed. Okay, you can use simply for loop. Okay, or you can use list append also. Sorry, list comprehension also for this one also. Okay, it's your wish. If you want to go for a long one, you can use for loop and do it. No, if you want to just use list comprehension, you can use it and do that one as well. It's your wish, Nana.
Ma'am, show
Output, Amma. See, this is the program and here is yes. Mitesh, are you writing this program? Ishwar, first program వచ్చిందా నాన్న?
వచ్చింది మ్యామ్.
ఇది అర్థమైందా? కంపేర్ చేసుకోవాలి నాన్న, ఏం లేదు. టెస్ట్ లో ఒకటి ఇవి ఇచ్చాం కాబట్టి దాన్ని మన రిజల్టెంట్ దాంట్లో ఇది చేసుకోవడానికి వాట్ వీ నీడ్ టు డూ, హౌ వీ కెన్ కంపేర్ ఇట్. ఓకే, కంపేరింగ్ ఇట్ అండ్ ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ట్రూ ఇట్ విల్ బి stored in the resultant list, else it will not be stored. Okay, whichever element is true, that is it satisfies the condition, it will be appended into the resultant list. Okay, if they are not satisfying the condition, it will not append and it will show the resultant as false. That's it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Vinay? Vinay?
Ma'am.
Why Vaibhav is not logged in?
Ma'am, I have informed in group, ma'am.
Is he there?
Ma'am, I'll check 1 minute.
Because he was not there for class also. He's I doubt he's logging into the correct you know.
Ma'am, I'll inform him, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Yes, how many of you have completed first program, Nana? First program. Anyone have any doubts in that one? Sai, what happened, Amma? Tish. Yes. Nitesh?
Ah,
Yes, ma. What's the doubt?
no doubt, ma'am. You said who completed, ma'am.
Okay.
That's right.
Okay, you have completed. Anvish, did you complete it? Anvesh. Vishwa?
Yes, ma'am. Hello.
Done with the
Yes, ma'am.
first
Come. Yes,
program?
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now come to the second one. Start doing it. After completion of it, please share the screen with me. I'll check it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Roll number 5. Shankar,
Ma'am, ma'am, Anvesh.
what were you doing when I called you?
Ma'am, it was a network issue, ma'am, here because there something digging well, ma'am, here. So I can't.
Okay.
So
మేడం
Yes. Shankar garu చేశారా అండి ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేశారా?
ఎస్ మేడం కానీ ఇది టైప్
First-
చేస్తున్న కొద్దీ టైపింగ్ పోతుంది మేడం. అంటే ఇప్పుడు స్పెల్లింగ్స్ టైప్ చేస్తున్నా
అది చెయ్యగానే
అవి
ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేసిన తర్వాత మీరు మీ దాంట్లో నేను ఒక 2-3 లింక్స్ పంపించాను కదా, ఒక లింక్ సపోర్ట్ చేయకపోతే ఇంకో దాంట్లో ట్రై చేయండి. ఓకేనా? ఇట్ విల్ కమ్.
Ma'am,
ఓకే.
ma'am, I have informed Vaibhav. He didn't join the
Vaibhav. Vinay, what happened?
he didn't join the class, ma'am. I just now informed him to join the class. I have sent him
Okay.
the message, ID and password. He's joining now.
God, this kid.
Ma'am.
Is he attending all the classes or he is like this only? Huh?
I think so. He's not attending, ma'am.
మ్యామ్ ఇక్కడ సిగ్నల్ సరిగా లేవు మ్యామ్, అంటే వైఫై ప్రాబ్లం ఉంది మ్యామ్. బెటర్ నేను ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ అయితే చేస్తున్నాను మ్యామ్, బట్ ఐ కాంట్ ఇన్ఫార్మ్. అంటే వైవాకి అటెండ్ అవ్వలేకపోతున్నాం మ్యామ్, ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ కొద్దిగా కనెక్షన్ ప్రాబ్లం ఉంది మ్యామ్.
ఓకే. ఆ ప్రోగ్రామ్ చేసి నాకు
వాట్సాప్ చేస్తాను మ్యామ్.
ఓకే. You just message me, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
After executing that program, mail me, okay? A screenshot తీసి నాకు మెయిల్ చేసే, ఓకేనా? నేను చెక్ చేస్తాను.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. సరే. Roll number 5, are you there? Share the screen, Amma, with me. Yes, second program everyone is trying to do, right? You people have any doubts in that one? Vinay, who is roll number 5?
Ma'am, roll number 5.
Yes, who is it? I'm not getting any response from them.
I'm in last ma'am, 1 minute.
Hmm.
Charan ma'am.
Where is he? He is not at all responding
Yes
to the
ma'am,
class.
Charan.
Is he there in front of the system or not? Because there is no response from him. Harini? Did you execute the program, Nana? First one?
Second one I'm doing, ma'am. First one gone due to connection. Now I'm doing second one, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Kaveri?
I'm executing, ma'am. Second one.
Okay. First one అయిపోయిందన్న.
Yes, ma'am.
ఒకసారి share చేయనా? Yes, all of you, once you have completed the program, please share with me. I want to check it whether you people are doing or not. Okay? Who is roll number 12?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Nana. Did you execute the first program?
No, ma'am. Executing, ma'am. No.
You do it fast. Once you execute it,
ma'am.
please share the screen with me. I'll see it.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yes. Roll number 13.
Yes, ma'am. I'm doing second one.
First हो गया आपका?
Yes, over.
Okay. After executing the second one, please share the screen with me. I need to see the first and second one as well. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Roll number 14, 15, and 16 are absent.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes, ma. Sandeep.
Sandeep, ma'am, ఇంకా రావట్లేదు ma'am. First
కాకపోతే నేను you try the other way which I have told you. I'll share this share the program in your Telegram once this session has been completed. I'll execute it and I will share that one also. Okay. The first program which I have shown you here, executing it, you have that. You try in that method. Do you have the copy of it? First one, which I have explained to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Direct. Yes, who is roll number 20? Rikshit, na? Roll number 20 is Rikshit, right? Where is this guy? Rikshit? Vishnu?
Yes, ma'am.
వస్తున్నాయి నాన్న ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేసావా? ఫస్ట్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ అయిపోయిందా?
ఫస్ట్ వన్ అయిపోయింది మ్యామ్.
ఓకే. Who is roll number 23? Satish?
సాయిగ్రామ్ మ్యామ్.
లేడుగా?
లేదు మ్యామ్, జాయిన్ అవ్వలేదు క్లాస్ లో.
ఓకే. మా రోజుకి మీరు క్లాసెస్ లో జాయిన్ అవ్వకపోతే హౌ యూ పీపుల్ విల్ అండర్స్టాండ్ దిస్ టాపిక్స్? I will not explain to you again. It's your wish if you want to, if you don't want to attend. ఈశ్వర్ ఎక్కడ నా ఎర్రర్?
ఫిల్టర్ ట్యూపుల్స్ ఎంటీ వస్తుంది మ్యామ్, రావట్లే అవుట్పుట్.
ఎంటీ వస్తుందా? సేమ్ ఇలాగే చేసావా ప్రోగ్రామ్? ఎక్కడన్నా ఎర్రర్ వస్తుందా? కొని
ఎర్రర్ రావట్లేదు మ్యామ్, ఫిల్టర్ ట్యూపుల్స్ ఎంటీ వస్తుంది. ఒరిజినల్ లిస్ట్ బాగానే వచ్చింది, ఫిల్టర్ ట్యూపుల్స్ ఎంటీ వస్తుంది.
ఇండెంటేషన్ లో రాంగ్ ఉంటుందన్నాను, ఒక్కసారి చెక్ చేయి. ఫర్ లూప్ అండ్ ఇఫ్ ఎల్స్ అవి కొంచెం ఇండెంటేషన్ వాటి దగ్గర ప్రాబ్లం వచ్చింది అని అంటే అవుట్పుట్ సరిగ్గా రాదు. ఒక్కసారి అది చూడు, చెక్ చేయి, ఇండెంటేషన్ చెక్ చేయి.
ఓకే.
Ma'am.
Ma.
సెకండ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ రన్ చేస్తుంటే సింటాక్స్ ఎర్రర్ అని వస్తుంది.
ఏం ఎర్రర్ వస్తుందన్నా? What's the error you are getting?
Screen share
error. Yes, you can share it to me.
Okay.
Okay. String of x space ఇవ్వాలన్నా. String of x space for, and you remove that dot split as well. డబల్ కోట్స్ నువ్వు క్లోజ్ చేయలేదు చూడు, ఎంటర్ అని చెప్పేసి ఇచ్చి p of string of x space for ఎస్ ఎంటర్ నుంచి ట్యూపుల్ కాల్ అని ఇచ్చినంత వరకు ఇట్ షుడ్ బి కాల్ డబుల్ కోట్స్ రైట్. That one you need to see. A dot split. Adi. Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, guys. Shall I explain the third program now? Are you done? Are you done with the second program?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. See. Are you able to see my screen? I will open the third program now. Okay. Third one. Yes, you need to count, right? Harini, read the third question, Anna.
Ma'am,
Third one. You read the third question. What is the
given
third
a
program?
tuple and a list. Given a tuple and a list as input, write a program to count the occurrence of all items of the list in the tuple. Input
Okay.
tuple are A, C, D, B and D. List only A, B.
Okay. Okay, see, this is the simple program, Nana. First one, what you need to do is you need to create a tuple. Okay, though taking those elements, okay, you need to create a list as well. First, you need to create taking elements into first statement. You need to create a tuple. Okay, and second, you need to create a list. Given a tuple and a list. Okay, so we need to give two. First we need to create a tuple, and second we need to create a list. Okay, after that what you need to do, you need to write a program to count the occurrences of all items of the list in the tuple. That is nothing but see the expected output, Nana. I have given the elements in the tuple as
Ma'am,
yes,
we can't
Nana.
see the screen, ma'am.
You can't see the screen. Just a minute. Check. How are you able to
Yes, ma'am.
see? What is the question we have here in this particular program? What we need to do? We need to create a tuple and a list with some elements. Okay, and we need to count the occurrences of all the items of the list in the tuple. Okay, got it? See the output, Nana, below. You'll get better idea about it. Okay, in this particular program I have entered elements in a tuple as A, C, B and D. Okay, and in a list I have entered A and B. Okay, now I need to see how many elements, how many times, that is nothing but count the occurrences of all the items of the list in the tuple. That is A, how many times it is repeating, and B, how many times it is repeating. I need to check it. Okay, in the particular tuple, and you need to write the count of it. Okay, so here A has been repeated twice and B has been repeated once. So totally the count of all the items which have been repeated is 3. Okay, this is the program which we need to create. So for that one, what we need to do? First, you need to create a tuple, okay, in which you need to enter certain items or elements. Okay, so for that one, this particular statement is given. That is X for X in input, enter elements into the tuple. Okay, this particular statement takes elements in the tuple. Next, same we need to do for the list as well. L of X for X in input, enter elements into the list. Okay, after doing that, you need to take counter. Okay, counter is equal to 0. That is nothing but this is the particular variable which will be counting or keeping a track of occurrences of all the elements or the items which are being repeated or occurred, okay, in the tuple. Okay, till now it is clear. Shall I go to next step? Yes. See, next we are giving for condition. Okay, for I in tuple, that is nothing but the element I. If in tuple, if I is in list, that is nothing but we need to check whether the particular element which we are considering is in tuple. Okay, then we need to check whether that particular element is in list or not. Okay, if it is there in that particular list, then that counter will be incremented. Okay, it will be checking. Incremented is nothing but first it will be checking A. Okay, if it is there, it will be incremented. That is nothing but it will again go to the for loop. It will take see the tuple. Okay, see Nana, what is the first element in the tuple we have? Yes, guys, you need to concentrate. What is the first element we have in tuple?
A.
A, right? So here I is nothing but A, Nana. Okay. First I we are considering as A. Okay. I is in tuple. That is nothing but A is in tuple. And that particular A is in L or not. We need to check it. Is it there? Yes, right? So if that particular element is there in both the tuple and list, it will be incremented. That is nothing but it will be its value will be incremented. That is A is there. So it 1. Okay. It initially counters value is 0. It will be incremented by 1. Okay. After that, again, you need to go to the next element. What is the next element we have in the tuple?
A.
A, right? It is present in list as well.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So the counter will be increased by 1, right? So how much the value of counter was previously?
1.
1. Okay. Now it has been incremented by 1. So what is the counter value we'll be having now?
2.
2. Okay. After that, next, again go to the tuple. What is the next element we have?
C.
C. C. Is it present in list?
No.
No. So incrementation is not possible. It will not go there. Okay. So the counter value will remain same, 2, right? Okay. Next again, it will be going to the for loop. What is the next element which we have in tuple?
B, ma'am.
B. B is there in the list as well?
Yes, ma'am.
So it is there. So now the counter value will be incremented. What is the previous counter value we have?
2.
2. Now we are incrementing it by 1. So what is the value now?
3, ma'am.
3. So next, again going back to the loop. Next element, what is it?
D.
T is there in the list?
No, ma'am.
No. So it will jump for the counter. The counter value will remain same, and again it will go for loop. Are there any elements left?
No, ma'am.
No. So the counter value which we'll be printing is
3.
3. We got the output right?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood the program?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, now try to execute that one. Nana, mute it, mute. Yes, the third program, this is one method which you can give, okay? And the second method you are having is you can use counter, Nana. Okay? Using counter also, you can count the occurrences of the elements which are present in a tuple of the list. Okay? See here, are you able to see them? See my screen number?
Yes, ma'am.
See the program in this one. From collections, we need to import counter. Okay? Here, define counter occurrence. Okay? From tuple and list. We'll be giving count is equal to 0. That is the initial value we are giving for that one. And here we are using for loop, Nana. Same which I have explained you. Here they have I have given item instead of I. Okay. If that particular item is in tuple, okay, it will be going to check if that item is present in the list or not. Okay. Then the count will be incremented to 1. So initially our count is 0. It will be incrementing as soon as it will be comparing the elements in the tuple and the list. Okay. And at the last, its value is returned. Okay. So feel comfortable, whatever way you want to execute it. If you want to use counter, you need to know the packages and collections which are present. Okay. And you can do in this way, or else in the simple way where you will regularly initialize, create a tuple and a list. Okay.
Ma'am, can I share my screen?
Your screen, Anna? Yeah, you can. Share your screen.
Ma'am,
Are you able to share your screen?
Unable to share.
One second.
ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am,
ma'am.
second program filter tuple, ma'am.
Nana, మీరు చెప్పింది నాకు అర్థం కాలేదు.
Second program output filter tuple is getting empty, ma'am.
empty వస్తుందా?
అవును, empty వస్తుంది.
నేను ఇండెంటేషన్ చెక్ చేసావా? ఎందుకనంటే అక్కడ ఎంటీ ఇది వస్తుంది అని అంటే నువ్వు ఫర్ లుక్ కానీ ఇఫ్ కండిషన్ కానీ ఇండెంటేషన్ లో సరిగా పెట్టలేదు అని చెప్పేసి జస్ట్ చెక్ ద ఇండెంటేషన్. చూడు మరి, ఎందుకంటే ఆ స్టేట్మెంట్ సరిగ్గా పెట్టకపోతే ఇండెంటేషన్ లో ప్రాబ్లం వస్తుంది నీకు అక్కడ. కౌంటర్ ఆమా ఏమైంది? ఎంటర్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఇంటూ ట్యూపుల్ ఇచ్చేసే ఏ బి సిడి Reddy, వచ్చిందా నాన్న అవుట్పుట్?
వచ్చింది మ్యామ్. లిస్ట్ లో ఉన్న ఎలిమెంట్స్ టైప్ చేస్తుంటే ఏదో వస్తుంది మ్యామ్. లాస్ట్ అవుట్పుట్ దగ్గర నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ అకరెన్సెస్ రావట్లేదు.
నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ అకరెన్సెస్ అంటే కరెక్ట్ గా చూడు, నువ్వు ప్రింట్ స్టేట్మెంట్ కౌంటర్ దగ్గర లాస్ట్ లో ఫర్ లూప్ కింద పెట్టాలి. నువ్వు ఎక్కడుంది చూడు ఒకసారి.
అన్ని చేంజ్ చేసినా కానీ రావు, బ్లాంక్ వస్తుంది, ఇంకా ఎంటీగా వస్తుంది.
ఒక్కసారి ఆ ప్రోగ్రామ్ నాకు టెలిగ్రామ్ లో పెట్టు.
మ్యామ్
ఎస్ మా
మ్యామ్ థర్డ్ వన్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ అకరెన్స్ 0 వస్తుంది మ్యామ్.
నంబర్ ఆఫ్ అకరెన్స్ 0 వస్తుందా?
ఎస్ మ్యామ్.
మీరు ట్యూపుల్ అండ్ లిస్ట్ ఇచ్చేటప్పుడు దాని ఫార్మాట్ మెయింటైన్ చేశారా, లేకపోతే రెండింటికి ఒకటే ఇస్తున్నారనమా?
ట్రిపుల్
బ్రాకెట్స్
స్క్వేర్ బ్రాకెట్స్ ఇచ్చాం మ్యామ్. ట్రిపుల్ కి నార్మల్
ఎస్ అదే అది ఫాలో అవ్వాలి, అదర్వైజ్ యూ విల్ నాట్ గెట్. Yes, you people have any doubts in your question bank? Some of them asked me.
మ్యామ్ పంపించచ్చు చూడండి.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
మ్యామ్ వర్క్షీట్స్ రాసి అప్లోడ్ చేయమా మ్యామ్ సిఎంఎస్ లాగిన్.
వర్క్షీట్స్ అన్నా
మళ్ళీ క్లోజ్ అప్లోడ్ చేయడానికి ఉండదు అంటారు.
ఎస్ enter elements in tuple.
మ్యామ్ క్వశ్చన్ బ్యాంక్ లో డౌట్స్
చెప్పు నాన్న, ఏమున్నాయి డౌట్స్?
మ్యామ్ అదే ఫస్ట్ మాడ్యూల్ లో పార్ట్ సి లో ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఒకటి అర్థమైంది మ్యామ్, సెకండ్ వన్ థర్డ్ వన్.
క్వశ్చన్ నాకు డాక్యుమెంట్ లో చేసి పంపిస్తారా మీరు? నేను అందుకే అడిగాను, నాకు కొంచెం మెయిల్ చేసేయండి నాన్న డాక్యుమెంట్ ఏది ఉంటుందో అని చెప్పేసి. ఎందుకంటే నేను క్వశ్చన్ బ్యాంక్ చెక్ చేస్తూ అవన్నీ చేయడం కుదరదు కదా. మీకు ఏవేవైతే లేవు
మ్యామ్ క్వశ్చన్ చెప్తాను మ్యామ్ ఒకసారి కావాలంటే.
చెప్పండి అమ్మా, క్వశ్చన్ చెప్పండి.
ఓకే చెప్తున్నాను. అమ్మా ఆగు, అమ్మా ఆగు.
The provided code stub will read in a dictionary containing key or value pairs of name, marks for a list of students. Print the average of the marks array for the student name provided, showing 2 places after the decimal.
Which unit, Amma?
First module, part C, second question.
That's the second question. This one? This is the one, Amma?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I think I told you this one, right? You need to print the average of the marks array for the student name provided and showing 2 places after the decimal. If you want to show the places of the decimal, what you need to give when you are doing average? Instead of giving integer or double, you need to give float for that elements, right?
Screen share option ma'am.
Yes, ma.
ఒకసారి screen share.
Screen share కనిపించట్లేదా?
నేను screen share చేస్తాను.
నువ్వు screen share చేస్తావా? One second. Yes. Okay, scroll it up. Did you execute this program, Nana? Yes. You need to just get the average of the student and it should be seen in float. That's it, right? Second one, right? Yes. You have executed this, Sandeep? Anvesh, are you able to see the screen, Nana, which Sandeep have shared?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, there is a doubt, ma'am, in that.
Yes.
Ma'am, how will do average of the of that, ma'am? I mean, will we gave the values of 60 something, 3 values we gave, no, ma'am, in that.
Yes.
How will do this?
Average is equal to total by length, right? Length is nothing but number of what is this student underscore name, whatever we have given, it will be giving that if you are giving length over there.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. See, Nana, student name, whatever number of marks you have given, it will be length is nothing but the number of items which are present in that one, right? It's total, it will be giving. That is the thing which it is there. Total is nothing but the number of items which you have given, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Total by length, that is the average which you'll be getting. If you want to get it in float, that is in decimals, what you need to give instead of integer? How you will be getting the numbers with decimals? What is the type you need to give there?
Float.
Yes. Then?
Okay, ma'am. I mean, we need to write split, ma'am. Dot split.
Dot split is nothing but it will be splitting the input marks whenever you are giving. Okay, it will automatically go to next line. That is the use of split. Split doesn't have anything with your functioning and all. Okay, marks ఇప్పుడు ఇచ్చినప్పుడు మీరు ఇన్పుట్ ఇచ్చుకుంటూ వెళ్ళినప్పుడు next అని మీరు క్లిక్ చేయకుండా if you are giving split over there, it will automatically go to the next line. That is the use of split. Or
Okay.
space. Okay.
Okay.
Next. Yes, where is the doubt?
మీకు వాట్సాప్ చేసా చూడండి ఒకసారి అవ్వట్లే అది ఎన్ని విధాలుగా ట్రై చేస్తున్నా.
Okay, ma, I'll do it and send to you. Okay.
లేకపోతే స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేయను.
Just wait. I'm checking it once. Okay. Yes. Still, any doubts? With the theory part or programs? Guys, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
You still have any doubts? in
Yes, ma'am.
your question bank or today's or yesterday's topics, whichever are there? Nana, only one topic is there in sets, that is set comprehension. Okay. If you have any doubts in that, you can please ask me. And in today's programs, let me ask you some questions. Yeah. You try to do these programs as well, Nana. This is the assignment I'm giving to you. Okay. Are you able to see my screen?
No, ma'am.
1 second. I'll see. These are the two programs for lab assignment. Try to do that. Okay. First program, you need to find the repeated elements in a tuple. Okay. And second, you need to write a program to convert list of tuples into dictionary. Or you can convert a tuple into a list. Okay. And show that with an example, 1 or 2. Okay. How you will be converting a particular tuple into a list. And again, you will update it and you will convert it into a list tuple again. Okay. In class, I have explained you, right? With an example. Just try to write an example wherein that program shows how you'll be converting list of tuples into dictionary or list of tuples into a set. Okay. These are the two programs for assignment. Yes, Anvesh, will you able to share the screen and show your programs which have been executed?
Ma'am, okay, ma'am.
Amitesh has sent me, it's okay. Vishwa, you also share the screen, Nana, one by one.
Ma'am, I can't share, ma'am, because some other participant is sharing the screen.
I am the one I'm sharing.
Sorry.
Okay, now you can. I have started my sharing. You start your sharing.
Okay.
Ma'am, third one not getting, ma'am.
Third one, Nana. Are you trying to execute the one which I have shown you in PPT or the one which I have showed you in IDL?
In PPT slide, ma'am.
Okay, it's okay. I'll just let you know because I have executed somewhere, but I'm not having in this one to show you. Okay, I need to again run that programs.
Ma'am, I shared, ma'am, the first one.
Okay. Okay. Next.
Wait.
You took a screenshot of it.
Ma'am?
Okay, next second one, Nana.
Second one, ma'am.
Chesava?
Chesan.
Okay. Vishnu?
Yes, ma'am.
Chesava, Nana?
అదే మ్యామ్ థర్డ్ వన్ రావట్లే మ్యామ్.
Okay, okay, fine. Sir. అదేనా ఎంటీ సెట్ వస్తుందా?
Sir, it is coming 0, ma'am.
For you, it is coming 0.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll see it. We'll see it. Next, third one కూడా అంతే వస్తుందా అన్వేష్?
మ్యామ్ ఇదే మ్యామ్ సేమ్ నాకు కూడా ఇలాగే వస్తుంది మ్యామ్.
Okay, okay. I'll execute it and I'll tell you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
To make it simple to you, I have shown you that programs, but I have executed somewhere. Nana, that system is not there.
Sharing stop there.
చేసే నాన్న చేసే. Okay. try to write those programs in your ఎక్కడైనా రాసుకోండి, ఎందుకనంటే స్టార్ట్ అయిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ ల్యాబ్ రికార్డ్స్ చూపించాలి కదా మీరు నాకు.
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
హరిణి ఇందాక అడిగావు కదా నన్ను అది అప్లోడ్ చేయాలా అని చెప్పేసి. అప్లోడ్ చేయాలి అంటే యువర్ వర్క్ షీట్స్ నీడ్ టు బి కరెక్టెడ్.
అది సీనియర్స్ అన్నారు కదా, మీరు అప్లోడ్ చేస్తే అక్కడ నార్మల్ ఎడిట్ చేసేస్తారు, ఫ్యాకల్టీ మార్క్స్ అని అన్నారు మ్యామ్. ఫిజిక్స్ అంటే అప్లోడ్ చేశాను మ్యామ్ షూర్.
బట్ మీరు షీట్స్ వర్క్ షీట్స్ అప్లోడ్ చేసే ముందు యువర్ వర్క్ షీట్స్ నీడ్ టు బి కరెక్టెడ్ బై us.
ఓకే.
కరెక్షన్ కాని వర్క్ షీట్స్ యూ కాంట్ అప్లోడ్ నన్నా.
Okay.
In worst case you will be doing that only, but for now please wait, because from 35 from first you will be coming to college na, then you can get it corrected if you have written on your worksheets. Okay.
Okay ma'am, thank you.
Yes. Did you write down the assignment programs? Only 2 questions are there. First you need to find out the repeated elements in a tuple, and second you can write a program to convert list of tuples into a dictionary, into a set. Okay, try it. Yes, now I'll ask some questions randomly to everyone for Viva. Please answer me. Okay. Praneeth. Praneeth, roll number 24.
Yes ma'am, yes ma'am.
Yes, he is
third one.
Third one. Okay, fine. Nen Viva adutunna anduku pilchanu ninnu. Okay, so is a tuple comprehension possible? Tuple comprehension possible or not? Tuple comprehension.
Tuple comprehension
is possible or not?
Yes ma'am, possible.
Okay. How is it possible? By using what we can make it possible?
Using another element like a sub
generators. Okay.
Yes ma'am.
Okay. Is slicing and indexing possible in sets?
Slicing?
Indexing.
In sets ma'am.
Yes.
Slicing.
Indexing ante telusu kada. What do you mean by indexing?
Indexing 0, 1 numbers for elements.
Elements ki nu addresses istavu, adi indexes. So sets lo adi possible anana?
Yes ma'am.
Sets definition cheppu naku.
No, sets lo possible ga ma'am.
Enduku?
Index address cheyam ma'am sets lo.
Ade endukama?
I don't know ma'am, I don't know.
Because they are changeable kada. Adi avi
okay ma'am, changeable.
Okay. Next, Saket.
Yes ma'am.
Ma'am, excuse me.
Yes ma'am.
Can I send you the 3 programs?
Yes, you can send to Telegram or to my mail. You can send it to anyone. Nana. I'll check them. Okay.
Okay ma'am, thank you.
Yes, Saket.
Yes ma'am.
What is the difference between list and tuple, Nana?
Ma'am, list are mutable and tuples are immutable, ma'am.
Okay.
And list are that means list are and tuples are separated by commas and listed in parentheses.
But still, why we use tuples?
Ma'am, because tuples are faster than lists, ma'am.
Tuples are faster than lists. Okay. Explain a condition where we use tuple over list. ఎక్కడ ఎక్కువ యూజ్ చేస్తాం మనం ట్యూపుల్స్ ని లిస్ట్ కాకుండా?
Ma'am, where there is more elements.
ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఆ ఎలిమెంట్స్ చేంజ్ అవ్వకుండా ఉంటేనా?
Yes, ma'am.
దేనికి ఎస్?
Ma'am, if we want to change elements, we use list, and if we don't want to change elements, we use tuples.
Okay, Nana. Vishnu?
Ma'am, I sent that program in WhatsApp, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, I'll check. Oh, I will check it.
Ma'am,
Yes. Anvesh, చెప్పమ్మా.
మ్యామ్ ఇందాక క్వశ్చన్ బ్యాంక్ లో క్వశ్చన్ చూపించినాం కదా మ్యామ్, అది సంథింగ్ యావరేజ్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి.
yes.
మ్యామ్ అప్పుడు అంటే ఫస్ట్ మనం స్టూడెంట్ రికార్డ్స్ కి ఇన్పుట్ ఇచ్చేసి నెక్స్ట్ డైరెక్ట్ గా కీస్ అండ్ వాల్యూస్ చేసేయచ్చా మ్యామ్?
నాన్న డిక్షనరీలో ఇఫ్ యూ అలాగే ఇస్తాం కదా మనము స్టూడెంట్ వాల్యూస్ మార్క్స్.
అంటే నేను దాంట్లో ఇఫ్ కండిషన్ వాడుంది కదా మ్యామ్, అంటే ఇఫ్ కండిషన్ వాడకుండా డైరెక్ట్ గా మనం మార్క్స్ కీస్ వాల్యూస్ రిప్రజెంట్ చేసి
you can do in that way as well. No problem.
Okay, ma'am.
ఎందుకంటే లెంత్ తెలిసిపోతుంది కదా నాన్న. ఇఫ్ యూ ఫైండ్ ద లెంత్ ఆఫ్ దాట్ వన్ అండ్ యూ నో ద యావరేజ్ ఆఫ్ దాట్, యావరేజ్ కనుక్కోవడం ఎంతసేపు పడుతుంది? ఇఫ్ యూ నో ద మార్క్స్ టోటల్ అండ్ లెంత్ ఆఫ్ దట్ వన్, లెంత్ ఆఫ్ ది మార్క్స్. ఓకే, సింప్లీ సీ దట్ డెసిమల్స్ లో అన్నారు కాబట్టి డెసిమల్స్ లో రావాలి మనకు అవుట్పుట్ అంటే వాట్ యు నీడ్ టు యూస్ అనేది అదొకటి తెలిస్తే సరిపోతుంది. ద క్వశ్చన్ ఈస్ కాంప్లికేటెడ్ బట్ ద ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఈస్ ఈజీ ఫర్ దాట్ వన్, రైట్?
అంటే ఇలా కూడా చేయొచ్చా అని అడుగుతున్నాం.
Yeah, you can.
Okay, thanks.
Okay. Next, Vishnu.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Vishnu. Sets lo any types unnai nana? How many types of sets are there?
4 types, ma'am.
4 sets nana operations anle. Sets lo any types of sets? Entavi?
Normal set, frozen set, ma'am.
Okay, what is the difference between sets and normal sets? Frozen sets?
Sets are mutable, ma'am. Frozen sets are immutable.
Next, Inka. What are the operations will be performing on? What are the common operations will be performing in sets and frozen sets?
Ma'am,
చెప్పు, ఇవాళ మార్నింగ్ చెప్పా కదా.
Union, intersection, difference and symmetric difference.
Okay.
For both we can use that, ma'am.
Okay. ఇంకేం యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు ఫ్రోజన్ సెట్ పైన?
Discard
యూజ్ చేయొచ్చా?
చేయలేం మ్యామ్. ఫ్రోజన్ సెట్ పైన చేయలేం మ్యామ్.
అదే నేను అడుగుతున్నా, సెట్స్ పైన యూజ్ చేసిన ఆపరేషన్స్ ఫ్రోజన్ సెట్స్ పైన కూడా ఏవి యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు అని అడుగుతున్నా. 4 మ్యాథమెటికల్ ఆపరేషన్స్ అవి కరెక్టే, ఇంకా అవి కాకుండా ఇంకేం యూజ్ చేస్తాం?
డోంట్ నో మ్యామ్.
కాపీ ఉందా
మ్యామ్?
కాపీ
ఉంది మ్యామ్.
డిస్జాయింట్?
ఎస్ మ్యామ్.
సబ్సెట్?
Yes, ma'am. We can use that in frozen set also.
సూపర్ సెట్.
Yes, ma'am.
ఓకేనా? ఆ ఆపరేషన్స్ ని మనం సెట్స్ లో యూజ్ చేస్తాము, ఫ్రోజన్ సెట్స్ లో కూడా యూజ్ చేయడానికి ఉంటుంది. మిగతా ఆపరేషన్స్ మనం సెట్ పైన పర్ఫామ్ చేసేవి ఫ్రోజన్ సెట్స్ పైన యూజ్ చేయడం. ఓకేనా?
Yes, ma'am.
ఓకే, ఫైన్. Next, Vinay. Vinay. Vinay is not there. Shivaditya. Yes. What is the frozen set, Ma? Yes, answer your roll calls, Nana. Roll number 2 is absent. Right? Rashmi. Rashmi. 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. Roll number 13. Are you there? Ah, yes. Okay. Please check ma attendance. I can't change after posting. Are you able to see my screen?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No. Now?
No, ma'am.
Not able to. Okay.
Ma'am, 9 present, ma'am. Hadni.
9.
Yes, ma'am.
9 absent Nana nenu.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay na? ఏమంటే చెప్పు వేస్తా.
వద్దు మ్యామ్.
వేసిస్తా.
మ్యామ్ వినయ్ మ్యామ్.
వినయ్ ఎక్కడున్నావు ఇప్పుడు దాకా?
సిఆర్ మ్యామ్.
Ma'am, this is the fifth time, ma'am. There is a network issue here.
Okay, see, I'm reading out the roll numbers who are absent. Please make a note. If anyone is present, please tell me now. Okay, 2 absentees I'm reading out. 2, everyone listen to it, Amma. 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 15, 16, 18, 19, 21, 23, 25, 31, 34, 36, 37, and 40. Okay. Still anyone is absent?
25 present, ma'am.
Amma?
Ma'am, 16 present, ma'am.
25 present.
Yes, ma'am.
16
present.
Rashmi.
16, ma'am. Pujita.
16, right. Pujita. You are not there, no?
Yes. No, ma'am. I have joined, ma'am.
Next. Okay, you please. Rest of them are absent.
37, ma'am.
Who is 37?
Ma'am, 27, ma'am, present. Sandeep.
Sandeep, you are present. 37 who is
Ma'am,
who's that?
22 present. 22, ma'am.
22, 22. Yes, 22 is present. 37, someone said 37, right? Who is it? 37.
Ma'am, 45. Ma'am, 45.
37. Tirupati. You are not there in the list when I was taking class, no? Where were you? At the
Just
last,
now I
you
get.
are joining.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Just now I left the meeting because some work is going on near our home. That's why I left. Just now only I left, ma'am.
Okay. See, the absentees are yes.
Third one also.
Okay, Nana, you share it to me. Okay, I'll see it. So see the absentees: 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 15, 18, 19, 21, 23, 31, 34, 36, and 40. That is it. I'm marking. Okay.
Ma'am, can we leave, ma'am?
No, still time is there, no? Please
Can
stay
we-
until I'm taking your attendance. If there is any mistake in it, again, you people will be. Absentees are 2, 3, 4. 4 is present. No, no. Okay, 2, 3, 6, 8, 15, 18, 19, 21, 23, 34,